Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I would like to share with you how I got my South Korea visa without even sending any financial documents. Yes, it's true. I only submitted what are the required documentations except for the ITR and the bank certificate. Okay, so in today's video I will explain to you why I was being exempted of submitting financial documentations. So first off, it is because I have BDO Credit Card, and according to BDO's website, if you do have Gold Visa Credit Card, Gold MasterCard Credit Card, American Express, and so on, you can check their website. You will have a privilege of a multiple entry visa to South Korea. So I've tried that, okay, because I've been receiving like promotions or letters on my mail, and at the back of the envelope that I'm getting, it says there that apply now for South Korea visa for you will be granted for multiple or single entry if you do have your Gold Visa credit card with BDO. So I just wanted to try if it's true. What I did, after checking it from BDO's website, I've also checked South Korea embassy's stand about it, if it's true, because if it's really true, then it should be reflected on their website. So that's what I did. First, I've checked their visa requirements for employees, specifically since I'm employed. So here are the visa requirements for employees. So you need to fill out application form, passport. Original passport should be valid more than 6 months, of course. So photocopy of your passport bio page, it's page 2. Original and photocopy of, if this is applicable to you. This is not applicable to me yet. And original certificate of employment, you can ask this from your employer. And this number 7, number 8, number 9, I did up to number 10. I didn't send anything. Instead, so I've only sent number 1 to number 6, okay? And then instead of me sending the number 7 to number 9 specifically, I don't have number 10. So with these 3 documentations, instead of me sending it, I just send this option, okay? Because this was the agreement between BDO and South Korea Embassy. So here are the guidelines. So for you to obtain a 5-year multiple entry, so these are the guidelines. You can check from here. So if you're a Gold Visa credit card holder, okay, and then so this has actually been updated already. The last time that I've checked, it was only gonna be until December 31st of 2019, but it has already been updated after me sending all the requirements. So they just have it updated to until year 2022. Well, that's good, okay? So you just need to send 3 months, okay, original hard copy credit card account monthly billing statements, okay? All you need to, for you to get exempted of submitting 7, 8, 9, you instead need to submit 3 months of your original's credit card account monthly billing statement. So that's what I did. I submitted it to the Korea, one of the affiliated South Korea agency that accredited, and then have it processed to them. So if you're aware already, I think this has been implemented since July of 2019, because prior to July of 2019, you can personally go to the South Korea embassy for you to apply for a South Korea visa. But after that, starting July of 2019, there are designated travel agencies or accredited travel agencies where you can process your visa. So you just need to check from South Korea embassy's website what are the list of travel agencies that are accredited. So you can check that from here. So there's a visa announcement right here, and then just need to check up to here, okay, where you can download the list of accredited travel agencies. And then if you will download this list, you will have this. I already downloaded it. So you can check whether or not in your area there are accredited travel agencies so you can process your South Korea visa. So that's just what I did. I've stalked or checked South Korea embassy's website, checked the guidelines, checked the requirements, and then looked for an affiliated or accredited South Korea travel agency or travel agency that process South Korea visa. And that's it. So during that time, I applied on December 30, 2019, and then during that time, there's like it's like about a month for the processing time. So I waited for a month, and then I got it. I got my South Korea visa without sending any financial documents, and it was approved. Okay, so yeah, it's because of the BDO Visa credit card, and I really thank you, BDO, for the privilege. And mind you, this video isn't a BDO sponsored. I just wanted to share, and I'm so grateful for the privilege. Okay, though if you really want it, you can produce the show money or how much is the amount that should be on your bank, but without, for you not to send any financial documents is really a privilege. And I was granted for a single entry only, but it's okay, I don't care as long as there is no money involved. I mean, I didn't send any financial documents. And I guess that's it. I just want to share my experience in applying South Korea visa without sending any financial documents. I hope this helps, and for all of you out there who has BDO Gold credit cards, Visa or MasterCard, go ahead, prepare all the requirements and send them now. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.